Hi, here is some information about the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and Imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. The Great Wall of China is not a single, continuous wall, but rather a series of many walls and fortifications that were built over centuries. The earliest sections of the wall were built in the 7th century BC, and construction continued until the 17th century AD. The Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure in the world, with a total length of over 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles. It stretches from the Bohai Sea in the east to the Gobi Desert in the west, winding up and down across mountains and plateaus. The Great Wall of China was not only a military defense system, but also a transportation and communication network. It also served as a symbol of Chinese unity and power. Today, the Great Wall of China is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Visitors can walk, hike, or even bike along the wall, and there are many different sections of the wall to choose from, each with its own unique features. Here are some of the most popular sections of the Great Wall of China. Badaling. This is the most popular section of the Great Wall, and it is located just an hour from Beijing. It is well preserved and easy to access, making it a good choice for first-time visitors. Mushanyu. This section of the Great Wall is less crowded than Badaling, and it offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Jinshanling. This section of the Great Wall is known for its rugged beauty and its well-preserved watchtowers. Simate. This section of the Great Wall is known for its steep slopes and its narrow sections. It is a good choice for experienced hikers. No matter which section of the Great Wall of China you choose to visit, you are sure to be impressed by this incredible feat of engineering and human ingenuity.